Hi guys, it's time for another mystery box, but this is not just any mystery box. This is an amazing mystery box at a really low price. It's incredible. I think Cricut has lost its mind. There is a link below that you can click to take you to the mystery box. I do get a small commission from that and I appreciate it. And you can use my code MLANE, M-L-A-N-E, to get 10% off, but you do have to add a little bit more to your cart. But who wants to pay for shipping? Use my code, get a discount and free shipping. Okay, are you guys ready? Rolls of iron-on, not just single rolls, samplers, not just regular iron-on, awesome iron-on, but I'm gonna show you that last. First, you get this awesome tool. You've seen me use this a lot in my videos. It's a scraper. It can clean the little pieces of your mat. You can use it as a scorer. When you're folding things, I always use this to score my paper. I use it to put vinyl on projects. It's got many uses and it's awesome. One of my favorite tools. And then pens. The Wisteria pens. Look at these. These are awesome colors. I love these colors. If you watch my videos, if you look at my hair, you know I love these colors. It's the Wisteria pen set. These are fine tip, 0.4, so you get a nice crisp drawing or writing effect. What's next? Party foil in charcoal. I did not know this existed. I love party foil to make projects for parties. It's those things that you can hang. There's no adhesive on this, so you can make those swirly twirly things. I've made banners out of this. I've used this on cards, and it embosses really well. Ooh, I haven't tried the embossing tool on it yet, but it's in charcoal. Never seen this color before. I looked for it on the Cricut website and I couldn't find it. Oh my gosh, I just looked at my screen. Look at, oh my, I gotta open it. I see sparkle that I didn't see when I looked at this before. I'm like, oh, charcoal. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay. Look. Okay. You get 2 sheets. You get this charcoal color. Ooh, and I can see through it. This would be cool for sunglasses. Like if you made the paper sunglasses that you can actually wear, there's images in Design Space to make those. You could totally use this because I can actually see through it. I wonder how it works in the sun. And then there's the sparkle. Look at how pretty the sparkle is. You guys, this excitement is real. I just noticed this while I was recording. It's so pretty. And oh my gosh, I'm making sunglasses and I don't know where else you can buy this product because I can't find it on the Cricut website at all. And it's in the mystery box. Oh my gosh, I might need to order another mystery box because the deal is incredible. I'm a little excited. I'm gonna settle down. There's lots more to show you. Metallic faux leather pebbled. This is in the champagne color. This would be really pretty for earrings or jewelry or bracelets or anything like that. Champagne colored metallic faux leather. It's really pretty. And look at the projects they used it with. Look, isn't that cool? Not only do you get the faux leather, you get the real leather. This is real leather. It's thick, works great on the maker and the knife blade. Ooh, look at what they made. Shoes, bracelet, keychain, book cover. Look, this is really pretty. It's gold. It's 12 by 12, it's only 1 sheet. But not only do you get 1 sheet of that, you get it in red too. Ooh, and they have different ideas on the back. Look. How cute. They made shoes. Amazing. There's so much more. This mystery box may go quickly. I'm saving the best for last. Everyday iron-on grasslands. This is 3 colors of grassy color and white. You can cut out a little Cricut guy with that green color. So that's 3 colors of 12 by 12 iron-on. You also get the Everyday Iron-On Jolly Sampler. 3 colors of 12 by 12. It's red, green, and gold. This is the Strong Bond. It's guaranteed. Use the heat guide when you're looking at this. The Cricut heat guide tells you exactly the temperatures, exactly the temperature depending on what you're putting it on, and if you're using the Easy Press and which Easy Press you're using and the mat and everything. And then it's guaranteed when you follow the directions. This one is glitter vinyl. It's removable glitter vinyl in black. You get 4 feet of this. 4 feet. You can decorate anything with this and have black glitter sparkle everywhere. This is the new mesh iron-on. Have you tried this? Look, you get 3 colors: gold, white, and black. Everyday iron-on mesh. This is fun for jerseys. I've also used it on a card. See, it's great for those numbers. I'm so excited. You get 3 colors. So if you haven't already purchased the mystery box, you better go do it now. I think I'm gonna get a second one because you can't, for $29.99, and then using my code, you get 10% off. If you have access, it's 10% off. You can't go wrong. Actually, to use my code, just buy 2 of these and then you're good. You have enough supplies to make lots of projects. Remember to subscribe to my channel and click that bell so you don't miss out on any other mystery boxes. I do videos every Tuesday at noon Eastern, Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern, and Saturday I have Design Space class every Saturday, 11 a.m. Eastern time. I'll see you then. Bye.